drive. Woo! Oh!
You landed on the wheel. Is it running?
Yeah. So it still counts. 67. So we're
You got the effect. We're good to go.
it's it was back.
Just broke the spark plug off.
Road rash. And it's wow, it like wore down the one in the back.
It's alright. We sell these.
But I mean all the
I mean, for durability, I think that shows quite a bit. If this thing went tumbling, there's no body, no protection. Yeah, you lost the spark plug, but
You know, even the suspension thing.
it's like what, a $6-7 part?
I think it's the wind.
You think it hydroplanes?
Yeah.